I know, Andy, you've actually been playing with the old and the new SoloX at the same time. Tell us what each of the configurations are, and what are your general observations? I mean, what are you using them for? What are you powering them with? What do you think?
You know, honestly, I don't have a 12, but I have an 18, and I can fully verify that you guys have come a long way from the old SoloX. I have the second gen.
Is that a nice way of saying they sucked?
You know, no. At the time, they were the bee's knees. And, you know,
they really
I mean,
were.
a 20-year-old woofer, I mean, how can you say anything competes compared to that? But, man, they handle so much more power. The coil's smaller. And, man, I can't wait to compare an 18 versus 18. But Dereck got to compare two of the 12s. He's a guy that's going to be able to tell you, hey, this is the difference here. But from my opinion, man, you guys killed it. And if a 12's almost as loud as an 18, that's impressive. The 18 I have, the old school SoloX, is on a Warhorse 10K. It did a 151.5, but that's a lot of power. 4K on an old school SoloX. How long could it keep that up for? Probably not as long as the new L7X.
About 4 times what it was rated, so.
Yes, but a very efficient driver nonetheless. And then you have the new SoloX, and I just have that on a KXA 2400, but I got it wired down, so I'm getting all 2400 watts, but it's taking it, and it's in today's standard of equipment, it keeps up with everything else in its class, and then some with the kicker sound.
So you've got both of them in vented enclosures?
Yes, the 18's in a 10 cubic box, tuned around 29, 30, give or take, and the 12 is tuned 31 in a 3.5 cubic foot box, including port area. It's a little bit on the bigger side. Yes.